For decades, gas trucks have ruled American roads. They're loud, powerful, and familiar. But in 2026, something is changing. The Ram 1500 REV isn't trying to compete with gas trucks on hype. It's challenging them where it actually matters: real work, real driving, and real daily life. Stay till the end, because I'll give you a clear, honest verdict on whether this electric truck can truly replace gas trucks in America or not. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more USA-focused truck reviews. Real-world power and capability. The biggest question every truck owner asks is simple: can it actually do truck work? And this is where the Ram 1500 REV surprises a lot of people. The power delivery feels immediate, smooth, and effortless. There's no waiting for gears to downshift, no engine noise building up, just instant response the moment you press the pedal. In real-world driving, this makes the truck feel confident and controlled. Pulling away from stops feels strong, merging onto highways feels easy, and carrying weight doesn't make the truck feel stressed. This matters because truck owners don't drive empty all the time. They haul gear, they tow, they load the bed, and the REV handles that kind of use with calm confidence. It doesn't feel fragile. It doesn't feel experimental. It feels solid, planted, and capable. What stands out most is consistency. The performance feels the same whether you're lightly driving or working the truck. That predictability is exactly what gas truck owners are used to, and it's something this electric truck delivers surprisingly well. Range, charging, and daily life. Now let's talk about the part that worries most people: range and charging. In real-world daily driving, the Ram 1500 REV is designed to fit normal American routines. Commuting, errands, weekend driving, workdays. For most owners, daily range anxiety simply doesn't exist. You drive, you park, you charge at home, and you start the next day full again. Charging becomes a routine, not a hassle. You're no longer stopping at gas stations multiple times a week. Instead, the truck is ready when you are. On longer trips, planning matters more, but that's part of the transition. And for many buyers, the trade-off makes sense. Lower running costs, less maintenance, and a quieter, smoother driving experience. This truck isn't designed for every single use case. It's designed for most real ones, and that's an important distinction. Ownership reality, EV versus gas. Here's where the conversation gets real. Gas trucks offer familiarity. Electric trucks offer change. The Ram 1500 REV is for buyers who are ready to trade noise for smoothness, fuel stops for charging routines, and mechanical complexity for simplicity. Ownership feels different: quieter, cleaner, more relaxed. You spend less time thinking about fuel prices, less time worrying about maintenance, and more time simply using the truck. But this isn't for everyone. If you tow long distances daily, drive in extremely remote areas, or rely on fast refueling multiple times a day, gas trucks still make more sense. For everyone else, the REV starts to feel like a logical next step. Final verdict: so, can the 2026 Ram 1500 REV replace gas trucks in America? For many people, yes. Absolutely. It delivers real truck power, predictable performance, and daily usability without the downsides most people expect from an electric vehicle. It won't replace every gas truck, but it doesn't need to. It only needs to replace the ones driven by people ready for a smarter, quieter, and more efficient way to own a truck. And for that growing group of American buyers, the Ram 1500 REV isn't the future anymore, it's the present. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more USA-focused truck reviews.